Here are ***5 detailed prompts *** for *** motorcycle-themed images or animations ***, each with a unique style or setting. Perfect for 3D animation, concept art, or AI image generation. ***1. Futuristic Cyberpunk rider ***, greater than *** a futuristic motorcycle rider racing through a neon-lit cyberpunk city at night. The rider wears a glowing armored suit and helmet with a digital HUD. Sleek bike with plasma exhausts. Rain falls, reflecting neon signs on the wet pavement. Cinematic lighting, motion blur, dynamic angle. ***2. Desert chase scene ***. A lone motorcycle rider speeding through a dusty desert at sunset, kicking up sand behind. The rider wears goggles and a leather jacket, with a scarf flowing in the wind. Rocky cliffs in the distance, golden-orange sky. Dramatic lighting, cinematic wide shot. ***3. Rainy urban commute ***, greater than *** a motorcycle rider weaving through traffic on a rainy evening in a modern city. Headlights and streetlights reflect off wet asphalt. The rider wears a waterproof jacket and full-face helmet. Focus on realism, soft lighting, light reflections, shallow depth of field. ***4. Off-road adventure ***, greater than *** a dirt bike rider jumping off a hill in a dense forest trail. Mud splashes up, leaves scatter, and the rider is mid-air with intense focus. Bright sunlight peeks through the trees. Action-packed, high-energy shot with natural scenery ***5. Street racing showdown ***, greater than *** to motorcycle racers speeding neck and neck down a highway at night under glowing overpasses. Sparks fly from tires, speed trails glow behind them. Riders in sleek racing suits, aggressive leaning angles. Urban background, dramatic lighting, extreme motion blur ***.